Today we're going to be introducing and talking about the Yongnuo 560 TX manual flash controller. This actually lets you control their flashes from the hot shooter camera. We've got the Yongnuo 560 III, we'll call it Mark III. It's already been group enabled. Put that right there, you can see. So we've already enabled group, channel, and dip switches, and we will note that the dip switches are set to off, the off position, so they're down. That'll be important in just a minute. We also have a Canon 580 EX II Speedlite, see right here, with a Yongnuo, what I call a dumb flash trigger. It's not smart. It's this flash trigger right here, the Yongnuo, get that word, the Yongnuo RF603C2. C stands for Canon, make an N for Nikon. So first things first, we're going to take a look inside of the Yongnuo. Can't get too close. In this case, all the switches are up. Dip switches are kind of like channels, radio channels, like your radio, 98.7, 100.3 FM. So we've got them all on this one turned on. The flash, however, has them all in the off. They're in the lower position, up is on. So the first thing that we have to do is we've got to match, we've got to choose whether to do the physical or the software, the soft dip switches. So I'm going to choose to match the soft dip switches. So we're going to just move them down as such. Can be a little pesky. Alright, make sure they're all down. Alright, we got 1 through 4 in the off position. Now that's my display. I've went ahead and set 1 through 4 on this flash trigger here in the off position. By the way, it's a test button you can fire flashes from. So let's go ahead and turn the Canon on. Turn on our 560 TX transmitter. And let's... Now, I guess I should say that the dip switch setting really is also on here. Now, one thing you can't do, and that is these dumb triggers here, dip switch only. There's no grouping. This has a group as well, so we're going to leave this at group A, as you can see. But if we had more Yongnuo flashes, we could have group A, B, and C, D, E, F, and G, I believe. And what that enables you to do is have flashes set up. Maybe you're in a photo shoot and you've got 5 flashes and you want 3 on group A, 2 on group B. And depending on what kind of lighting situation you're in, you could quickly disable or enable one of the groups and only have those flashes fire. Now, as far as dip switch goes, you generally don't mess with the dip switches too much, but every photo shoot is its own job, so you got to do what you got to do. So to give you an idea, we're going to not turn on, I hate to drop that, because what we're going to do here is we're going to hit the test button here. Yongnuo fires. Again, soft dip switches are all set to off, and it says channel 1, and we are on group A. We're in manual mode just because. Now, to get the Yongnuo RF603C2 dumb trigger to work, you've actually got to take it all the way to TRX, transmit, receive. We have our Canon 5D, our Yongnuo YN560TX transmitter. We'll flip it on. That we'll see that the dip switches are all four still set to off. Channel 1, which that's what all dip switches off mean. It sets it to channel 1. And we're on Group A. We're activating Group A. So the Yongnuo Flash is Group A, channel 1, and the dumb trigger is on channel 1. No cables. Snap a photo. Flashes fire. That's all there is to it. Easy setup, quick. If you're a strobist, if you're an off-camera flash type person, can't recommend Yongnuo's equipment enough. It's inexpensive, it gets the job done, and durable. I now only have 1 Canon Speedlite and 3 Yongnuo Speedlites and this transmitter. And 4 dumb triggers, which you'll see used in our balloon bursting YouTube videos. So if you have any questions, post them below. I have links where you can purchase this stuff from Amazon. The trigger, the flashes, cameras, maybe I'll even put in tripod links. And if anybody asks, yes, this is a polarizer. It's a 77mm circular polarizer, just Tiffin, just something that you use when shooting video. Thanks a lot.